Hello dear friends, my name is Vicky. Now we are in Pripyat in Chornobyl zone, and now you will see how we renovate kindergarten. In Pripyat city are more than 10 kindergartens. All these buildings today, of course, are abandoned. Before accident, in Pripyat live about 50,000 people, and in Pripyat were many children, and that's why this city called City of Childhood. This kindergarten has name Teремок, and this place was abandoned after accident, of course, but before accident it was a beautiful place for children. You can see around us many toys, and all this very destroyed, and it's very sad. And now we found very good room where we can make renovation. Level of radiation in kindergarten Teремок is normal, but in official tour it's prohibited go inside, discovering of building inside. Of course, I know that many official groups can do it, but it's half maybe illegally, and that's why now we are illegally. It's like a stalker. Now we will make interesting renovation. Why we decide make renovation in abandoned kindergarten of Pripyat? You can see around us very bad rooms. After accident, all rooms were preserved, but unfortunately, after evacuation, in Pripyat, in Chornobyl zone, were many looters and vandals. It was crazy years for city Pripyat, because looters took all expensive and not expensive things, and they totally destroyed many buildings, all buildings in Pripyat. It's not only time, weather, it's looters. And that's why we decided make one small renovation in one room of kindergarten Teремок, and we will see how looked this place after evacuation, but before looters. It will be very hard work. You can see how all look. We didn't have special documents for this. We didn't have any special things for renovation. It's like amateurs funds. We are simple funds of Pripyat city. Now we will have many and hard work. We need clean this room. You can see how many destroyed things on the floor. After this we will clean this room and maybe painting of this room. And after this we will see what we can make in this place for look like many years ago, how it place looked many years ago. We will try, because you can see that kindergarten look like very creepy. And this video was made many years ago. Every time we tried it to make some cleanup operation in many places in Pripyat for fun, no, because we love this place and we want to make something for Pripyat, for people who visited this place, for former citizen, because many former citizens of Pripyat told thank you for this renovation. But unfortunately, this renovation only for few years, because all buildings in Pripyat are totally destroyed. It's only for few years, and in future it will be same before renovation. Of course, we tried it, use mask, because dust on the air, of course, can be radioactive. That's why we did it illegally, because it's very seriously operation, and of course we try do it ourselves. On the floor I found it many interesting preserved things from Soviet Union, from the past of this place. We worked many hours, we are tired so much, and we decided to go for rest, for sleep in abandoned apartment of Pripyat, and after this we will come back to kindergarten for our work. If you remember, it was made 2 years ago. Today in Ukraine is war, and we can't know about what today is in this kindergarten. This room is preserved or not, we didn't know. Today in our country is a more creepy problem, but we remember about Chornobyl tragedy, about Pripyat. We love this place, and maybe in future we will come back to Pripyat and we will see what happened in kindergarten in time of the war. It's me prepare this furniture, all old Soviet furniture from this kindergarten. It was at night. It was a little creepy for me, because city is abandoned, you understand it, and if policemen catch us, it will be very bad, because we have finished this work. It will be very cool and very interesting. It will be like a small place of life, small place for memory, for history about this beautiful city. and in the morning we came back to kindergarten and we again worked many hours. We had good team, it's me, Stas and Gennady, and we together made it. And now we prepare the paints for the windows. You need know that this renovation for us was not so hard. It was so interesting, so sad maybe, because from the window you can see it's abandoned city, and in this room like a little life, little history of people who lived in Pripyat before accident. It's little creepy because in one room is life, in second room is death, is abandoned, all abandoned, and it's not simple imagination. I don't know how I can explain it, but it was very emotional for us. These old pictures, was made by children from the kindergarten more than 35 years ago, and all these pictures are preserved. And sometimes people ask me, Vicky, do you know that all this picture can't preserve so many years? But I can show you it's preserved. It's all preserved in Pripyat in kindergarten. We remember history about Pripyat city. You know that before accident in this place lived about 50,000 people. It was beautiful city of childhood. But unfortunately, after accident at Chernobyl nuclear plant, all people were evacuated from the city. And now you can see what we made in one room in abandoned kindergarten. Today, this place looks like a time machine. Friends, if you like my video, take a like, subscribe to my channel. I have Patreon. If you want to support me or support victims of Ukrainian-Russia war, you can subscribe to my Patreon. And I thank you for your watching, for your kindness to Ukraine, to me, to my channel, to Chernobyl history. Bye bye.